Hello and welcome back to my channel. I think you must have got an idea that what exactly we are reviewing today. It is the new Mahindra XUV 300. She's 9 months old car, and the owner of this car is one of my good friend. His name is Arjun Patil. Arjun Patil, please. Yes, so tell us what is your experience about this car?
Well, first I had decided to take a Make in India car. So after making lots of research and taking trials of many other brands, I finalized Mahindra. By the time Mahindra had also introduced XUV 300 in the market, and it was good in aspects of features.
So let us go to the technical specification of this car. She's 1197 cc displacement vehicle which generates 108 bhp of power. She's 6-speed manual transmission vehicle which generates 200 newton meters of torque at 2000 to 3500 rpm. She's 3-cylinder DOHC engine, and the fuel injection system which has been used is MPFI. So coming to the exterior part of the vehicle, this variant, as being a top end variant, it has projector headlamps with DRLs and fog lamps. Arjun, the chrome finish which has given to the grille, these are only available for top end variants, yes. I suppose. Yeah. I think, Arjun, these are 17-inch alloys which Mahindra has given. And as you said, Arjun, these are electronically adjustable mirror which also folds electronically, right? Yes. These has side indicators on them. And again, as I said, I think this feature is available only in the top end variant, I suppose. And the roof rails, this makes car look like an off-roader vehicle, I think.
Yeah, they give a good look. So if you see the color combination, they have given a very catchy one.
Let's go to the rear end of the car, Arjun. Can you just tell what exactly are the features for the?
As we have got the rear camera, we have the wiper.
I think, Arjun, the car has 279 liters of boot space. I suppose that's really a big boot space. And it
having that much of space for the rear passengers and the leg room, and providing this amount of boot space, like it would have been task for Mahindra, but even they have managed.
So now we are inside the car, and Arjun is going to tell us that what exactly this variant has in it. Arjun, over to you.
Dashboard features. Here we have got start and stop button, which automatically controls the engine. So if you need to turn off the engine temporarily, you just have to release the clutch when this button is activated, and the engine will stop. And to restart the engine, you just have to press the clutch again. It will start the engine will start automatically. Lock for the windows, central lock. We have got electronic mirror adjuster. On steering, we have got the steering controls, volume up down, seek mode for the FM, call receiver. Then we have got voice control. Here we have the Tiretronics, so it tells you the situation of tire pressure. If it is okay, it is okay. You can see here the low pressure, because my Stephanie is at low pressure now, so it is giving an indication of low pressure. Okay. And when you go on show all, it gives the details of pressure in PSI and the temperature. Driven car for 5,428 kilometers.
Oh, that's 5,400 kilometers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And
even it gives the information of average speed for the car till now. It is like 33 kilometers per hour.
What about the AC? It seems there are two different.
This is a dual operating AC. So there are two controls for the AC. You can see here, this is the temperature for the left side of air conditioner, and Another is for right side of right side of air conditioner.
So Arjun, it seems this variant has a sunroof as well.
Which comes with sunroof. So
Okay.
you have a button for sunroof operation,
Okay.
and yeah, so there is a safety feature provided here. So if there is any objection while closing off the sunroof, it can automatically go back to its original
Oh, that's
position.
the best part. That's the best part.
So if anyone is standing, there is no harm if by mistake the button is operated and the sunroof gets out.
So Arjun, it seems this car has a dual tone interior. I have heard that it has a black and beige. This is black and white, as well as if you can see the seat upholstery is also the same color to what the interior is.
Yes.
The dashboard color is.
Yes.
So I would like to ask you that what was the reason behind choosing the black color? It seems there were several other colors as well. This car has been launched with 6 different colors. So why black?
If you see in other colors, of course they are good, but black color looks more elegant.
Yes,
And,
definitely.
yeah, even I wanted to have a black car. That was my personal choice. Plus, it looks more good, so I opted for it.
Let me tell you guys, this car is a petrol variant, as I said before, and this person sitting beside me is a petrol headed guy. Initially, he owned a Honda City, and after owning that car, he was so fond of smoothness for the petrol engines that he decided his next car will also be a petrol one.
Yes, yes.
So it was his decision of buying the petrol car for this one reason. What was your other reason of buying a petrol car?
Other reason, if you see, as my car does not commute that much because my traveling is very less, so that was the main reason I wanted to go for a petrol car.
So Arjun, you must have serviced the car for once, as it has clocked for 5,400 kilometers. So what was your experience of servicing the vehicle, economy-wise as well? And was there any issues faced until the servicing, or how was it? How was your experience?
I have serviced my car for once since I bought it, and the service is cheaper. It was about 3 to 3.5k. And service provided by Mahindra is also good. They regularly update with the servicing status for the day your car enters their garage or their workshop.
Okay. So I think this is the best part on buying an Indian car, because buying his car is very easy, but after sales service is what matters a lot, and it seems you had a best experience in
Yes,
after
yes.
sales service.
Even Mahindra has their own application, mobile application.
Okay.
It's named at With You Hamesha. So
Okay.
it keeps all the records, all the invoices, all the service records of past, and even it gives you the reminder when your next service is due. So it is very easy.
I think Arjun, you have purchased this car for 13 and half odd figures, right? 13 lakhs and half.
About 14. It was 13.9.
14 lakhs.
Yeah.
This vehicle costed you 14 lakhs. It is. Okay, Arjun, can you tell me about the extra features like airbags and how many airbags this vehicle has?
Yeah, even like safety, Mahindra has cared about safety of passengers traveling here in this car. So we have got 6 airbags. One is on the steering, another one is in front of the passenger seat. We have got 2 airbags. One is here on the passenger side, another is on the driver side. And for the rear passengers, same, we have got 2 airbags.
Okay, there's one airbag at that corner,
Yeah,
and one
another
airbag
is
at
just behind.
this
This
corner.
is a
Chrome finish that the company has given, which gives us a premium look. There's a very small detailing about the chrome finish on the AC vents as well. This gives a very premium look to the car. There seems to be a lot of space in the car. There is a place where you can place your mobile phones while traveling, or you can keep your wallet as well. There is a glove box here, which has, it's really deep inside. It's really deep
Yeah,
inside.
you can even fit a laptop in that space.
Yes, there's a lot space, it seems.
So another glove box we have here.
Oh, that's also
So
a glove box.
you can put your accessories like wallets, purses,
Yes.
keys.
There is a lot of space, it seems.
Yeah, but we have like if you're carrying small bottles, water bottles, you can place it over here. We have bottle holders at all the 4 doors.
Okay. Okay, Arjun, it seems each door has one speaker and a tutor in it. the driver door as well as the passenger's door, as well as I'm seeing behind, there is also a
As I'm
speaker
sitting
here. Behind, there's a lot more leg room I can feel, because my height is 5.6 and there's so much of space available. You are sitting, I think your height is more than me.
Like I am 5'7" and I can sit very comfortably with my legs.
Yes.
When I drive, I keep the.
Okay,
seat
this
at
is your driving
yeah.
position.
So if you
Okay.
can see, my legs are totally spread in this area, and it is very comfortable. Even your passenger seat is bit behind the driver's seat, but
Yes,
still
yes. It's very very comfortable.
Yeah.
I think legroom matters a lot when we make a decision for buying a car.
Yeah, of course, because see, the passenger seat and driver seat, anyhow, they are a bit of comfortable because they have already got the leg room in their space, but the passengers who are sitting at rear of car, they need to be comfortable. So if you see the
Headroom of the car.
is like quite sufficient here, and even the space provided in this area is too sufficient.
Not only legroom, but I feel that you should also check for the headroom.
First, even we have got an cup holder here.
Yes, there are two cup holders here.
Right.
It really looks premium. It feels premium when you sit inside. It's, I think, best in class product which you have chosen. I think you might have test driven many other vehicles while buying or making a decision.
I had taken a test drive of Hyundai Venue at that time, but the test drive, even after taking the test drive, I was not into that car because the comfort, or what you can say, the suspension was not that good. Suspension wise, this car is perfect.
Okay, that's great. Now we'll just step out of the car. So Arjun, let's take this car for a spin, a short spin, and let us experience the thrill which this, I'll call this car a MPV, I think, because it plays a role of a city vehicle, as well as in times I think it will play a role of a SUV as well. I think Arjun, we should plan someday for off-roading this vehicle as well, and we'll also let you know that how this vehicle works as a off-roader. But for a while, as we are in a city, we are taking this car for a small spin, and we'll let you know that how this vehicle is while driving within the city. So Arjun, let's go for a small spin.
Yes.
Always wear your seat belt before
Yeah.
driving.
If you don't, the car will keep on indicating until and until you don't wear.
I think this petrol engine has an immense pickup, because I can feel it. I'm sitting on the passenger seat, but when you're throttling the vehicle,
Pickup wise, they have provided an excellent pickup for this car.
yes, it's just pushing me towards the seat. I think this is the best part of owning a petrol vehicle.
Yes.
तो time lapse. It was a beautiful drive, Arjun. Petrol engines are truly refined, I must say. And as my friend has chosen this vehicle with a concept that he had in his mind, that was Make in India, I think every one of us should think a bit about it. Before signing off, I would tell you that everyone, wear your mask and wash your hands, but do not wash your responsibilities. Signing off from Mumbai. Thank you.